Tetwire neshitama omurugaba aho Okello Christopher Onyum yakorire omushango gw'okwitabererebana erizoba yahereza enchwamu yayo omu mushango ogu. Atakahire ekibonerezo omuramuzi otwire nahurira omushango ogu Alice Komuhangi yabanza kuchamya kw'emishango yonena ey'okwita obujulizi oburesirwe omu Kooti n'obusinga Okello emishango yona.
Neither the defense of insanity nor diminished responsibility is available to him.
N'olwekyo ekyokugamba nti omutwe gwe gwali tegukola bulungi oba yali n'obulwadde bw'obwongo tebimuyamba.
On the contrary, I find and in agreement with the joint opinion of the three assessors that the prosecution has proved that the accused person unlawfully caused the death of the three infants with malice aforethought.
N'olwekyo akayinza ne ba assessor nga bwe bamuwabula bagamba nti abalonde olwali baleeta obujulizi obumala okulaga nti omuwawaabirwa nga alina ekigendererwa ate nga mu bumenyi bw'amateeka yatta bano abaana abana.
Consequently, this court finds that the prosecution has proved all the ingredients of the offense of murder in the 4 counts against the accused person, Christopher Okello Onyum.
Kooti n'ekakasa nti oludda oluwaabi luleese obujulizi obumala okulaga nti emisango ena gyonna gye bavunaana Okello Christopher Onyum.
The accused person is accordingly found guilty of the murder of Eteku Gideon in count 1.
N'olwekyo Kooti esanze ng'omusango ogw'okutta Eteku Gideon gumusinga.
Omukuheereza enchwamu yeye omuramuzi Komuhangi yakyoreka ngu Okello emishango yona eyi yakozire akagikora arikwetegereza kurungi kandi akimanyiise. Omu Kooti batakamugambira ekifubiro kyeye Okello yaheebwa omugisha ogw'okugira eki yagamba konka yanga nangwa n'okushaba okusaasirwa.
Are you going to tell me why I shouldn't pass a death sentence?
No, my lord. I'm not going to say something today.
You don't want to say anything? Do you want to say something?
No, my lord.
You don't even want to apologize to Uganda? Should I take it that you don't have anything to say?
Yes, my lord. I don't have anything to say.
Omuramuzi Kobusinje ogwiya musharuro gw'okwitwa ahabw'obuhango bw'emishango ey'okwitaberere batiine emishango bana kandi ngu eki kibe ky'okureeberaho kw'okwita omuntu kitarikwikirizibwa.
In light of the above, I have found no reason why I should not sentence Mr. Okello with the maximum sentence.
N'olw'ensonga ezo waggulu sirina kyenzudde kiŋŋaana kuwa Okello ekibonerezo ekisingayo obunene.
I hereby sentence him to suffer death for the murder of Eteku Gideon in count 1, Keisha Agenroth Otim in count 2, Seriange Ignatius in count 3, and Odekerayan in count 4 in a manner authorized by law.
Nsindika Okello Christopher Onyum ku kibonerezo ekyakalabba olw'okutta abaana bano. Omusango ogusooka Oteku, owokubiri Keisha, omusango ogwokusatu Seriange Ignatius ne Odeke mu ngeri eragirwa mu mateeka.
And Mr. Okello, you have a right of appeal. You have a right of appeal against the conviction of this court, both the conviction and the sentence. This you should do within 14 days from today.
Mwami
have
Okello.
the right to appeal to the Court of Appeal.
Abantu aba bari omu kooti egi eriizooba bashemererwe ekyeneso ekyaheebwa Okello ahabwa emishango yakozire. Gashakwa Jonan mwebembezi ahabwa West omuri Kampala.